In 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $69,000, and the entire crypto market was worth over $3 trillion. Fast forward to today, many cryptocurrencies have crashed, major exchanges have collapsed, and governments are tightening regulations. So, is crypto dead? Or is this just another cycle before the next big boom? In this video, we'll explore the current state of the crypto market, the biggest challenges, and expert predictions for the future. Stay with us to the end because the truth about crypto's future might surprise you. Just a few years ago, crypto was seen as the future of money. People believed that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies would replace traditional finance. But then the market crashed hard, wiping out over $2 trillion in value. Some major events that caused this include the 2022 market crash, which led to a massive sell-off. The collapse of FTX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, causing panic. Regulatory crackdowns in countries like China and the US, rising interest rates, making traditional investments more attractive than risky crypto assets. This has led many to question whether crypto still has a future. There are several reasons why people believe crypto's golden era is over. Governments worldwide are enforcing strict laws on crypto to prevent fraud and money laundering. This has resulted in tighter KYC rules on exchanges, taxation on crypto earnings, reducing profits for investors, bans and restrictions, especially in countries like China and India. Many believe that without regulatory clarity, crypto cannot grow to its full potential. Crypto has seen massive scams and frauds, such as Luna and FTX collapses, where investors lost billions, pump and dump schemes, where coins are hyped up and then abandoned, rug pulls where developers disappear after collecting investor funds. These scams have shaken investor confidence, making crypto seem riskier than ever. Google searches for Bitcoin and crypto-related terms have significantly dropped compared to 2021. Fewer new investors are entering the market. Many early adopters have sold off their assets and moved on. All of this raises the question, is this the end of crypto or just another cycle? Despite all the setbacks, many experts believe that crypto is far from dead. Here's why. Major companies like BlackRock, Tesla, and PayPal are still investing in crypto. Banks and financial institutions are exploring blockchain technology for transactions. Countries like El Salvador have even made Bitcoin legal tender. This shows that big players still see crypto's potential. Every 4 years, Bitcoin undergoes a halving event, reducing the supply of new coins. Historically, this has led to major price increases. The next Bitcoin halving is expected in 2024, and many analysts believe it could trigger another bull run. Some experts predict that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 or more in the coming years. The crypto industry is shifting toward Web3, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi. These innovations could change the way we use the internet, making it more decentralized, reduce the power of banks and traditional financial institutions, create new opportunities for investors in the digital economy. While no one can predict the future with certainty, here are 3 possible scenarios for crypto. 1. Crypto makes a huge comeback. Bitcoin's next halving triggers a bull run. Governments create clear regulations, making crypto safer. More companies and banks adopt blockchain technology, prices skyrocket, and crypto becomes mainstream again. 2. Crypto becomes just another investment. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain, but smaller coins disappear. Crypto becomes regulated like stocks and gold. People stop seeing it as a way to get rich quickly, and it becomes a normal asset class. 3. Crypto fades away. Slowly, regulations kill innovation, making it harder to trade. People lose interest as new financial technologies replace crypto. Prices continue to decline, and only a small group of hardcore investors remain. Right now, crypto is in a phase of uncertainty, but it's not dead yet. Final thoughts. Should you invest in crypto? If you're thinking about investing in crypto, here are a few things to keep in mind. Do your own research. Never invest blindly. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is still volatile. Keep an eye on regulations and industry trends. The market is changing fast. Crypto is not dead, it's just evolving. The next few years will determine whether it becomes the future of finance or just another failed experiment. What do you think? Is crypto here to stay or is the hype over? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on finance and technology. Thanks for watching.